Hello, welcome back. Today let's try to solve another Leetcode problem 1011, capacity to ship packages within D days. Yeah, so this problem is exactly the same as Leetcode problem 410, split array largest sum problem. Yeah, for such kind of a problem, actually there are more than 10, maybe 12 or 15 problems exactly the same like this. For such problem, I'm going to use binary search. If you check my video for 410, so for the split array largest sum, so yeah, you should understand why I can finish writing it like this and why this is so fast when we use binary search and greedy to finish this kind of a problem, because this is basically a template problem in Leetcode. So there are so many of them, and we just need to practice more and get familiar with it and grasp the main idea of how to solving such problem. Yeah, now let me explain a little bit of the question. So for this one, so we are giving a weight, and we are going to split this weight. We just split the array into, for example, here days equal to 5. It means we need to split it into 5 days, and we need to return the maximum of the sum. So this is why I said it's the same as the Leetcode problem 410. So we will split it like this. So this is 15, and 6 and 7 is less than 15. 8 is less than 15, 9 is less than 15, 10 is less than 15. So this is why we only need 5 days. Yeah, if we need this is why we just needed to return 15. So if our guess maybe is too big, maybe 100 or 20, so this means we can finish it less than 5 days. Yeah, if we can finish it less than 5 days, so it means our guess is too big. So why not decrease our guess to make it more days, to make it 5 days maybe, and then we're gonna guess number 15. Yeah, or maybe we just guess a number of 10 is too small. If we guess a number of 10, it may be not 5 days. Yeah, so if we guess a number of 10, it may be, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 7 days. It means we need more days. It means our guess is wrong. We have to increase our guess number. Maybe next number would be 15. Yeah, this is why we are going to use the binary search to solve the problem. Now let me write my main function. So I'm going to use the tag as usual for my binary search to solving such problem. And inside I'm going to give a path, and then I'm going to use the binary search for the L pointer and R pointer and the result. Now let's check the L and R pointer. For this one, how should we decide what is L and R pointer? We just need to check this days. So the days, it is from here. So the days is always be more than equal to 1 and less than and equal to weight dot length. Yeah, so this means if the day equal to 1, so what is our result? Let's check. If day equal to 1, it means 1 day, only need 1 day, we need to finish all those weights. So it means it is the sum of those numbers. So this means it is the maximum result. So what is the minimum? Minimum is the days equal to the length of the weights. Yeah, for example, this array, the length is 10. So our days equal to 10. If our days equal to 10, so what is our result? So it is the maximum of the weights. It is 10. Yeah. Now let's just finish the L and R. It should be the maximum of weights. Here is a typo. Let me correct it. And the R pointer should be sum of the weights. And the result, I just give a maximum of the weights. It doesn't matter, but for safety, I'll just give a L pointer, maximum of the weights. Now I'm going to use binary search. So for L less than or equal to R, M should equal to L plus L minus R minus L divided by 2, and then I'm going to check. So if check M, it means if I find a value check M is true, I'm going to have a result equal to my M, and the R pointer should be M minus 1. Else, if my check function is wrong, so the L pointer, this check function is wrong, means my guessed number is too small, so I'm going to shift the L pointer equal to m plus 1 because I'm going to guess a bigger number. Finally, I'm going to return the result. So here, I'm going to finish the check function. For the check function, I'm going to use a count and total. Yeah, I'm just going to, for the count, I'm going to count how many days do I need. Yeah, so if my count is less than or equal to days, it means that is possible. Yeah, so this is why I'm going to return the count is less than and equal to days. Yeah, so here I'm going to use a count and the total. So the count and the total should be 0, always be 0, and then I'm going to loop through the weights array. So for W in weights, my total will plus this W, and then I'm going to check if my total is more than the threshold, because if it is less than, I don't need to do anything. If it is more than threshold, I'm going to count by 1. Yeah, then the total should set to the beginning point. So the beginning point is the weight. For example, if I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is 15. If I'm going to count next number 6, it is more than the threshold 15. What am I going to do? I'm going to count it by 1. It means I've already found 1 day. It will finish this kind of job. And now my total will set to the weight. It is 6. And then I'm going to count again and again and again until I'm count to 9, for example. Yeah. So the first number is 9, and then it is a 10. It is more than 15. What am I going to do? I'm going to count by 1 and the total set to 10. But from here, I will stop my for loop because if for W for this 10 inside weights, the total equals to the total is 10 because this is my last number. The total equals to 10. But from here, I'm going to stop my for loop. Yeah, let me give you an exact example. I'm going to start from 9, so this total equal to 9, and then I'm going to go to the next number, it is 10. So total plus W, it means 19. If this 19 is more than threshold, my code will plus 1. Yeah, but the total equals to 10. So this means I've already stopped the loop, but I missed counting one number. So this is why from here, I need a count plus 1. Yeah, so this means how many days in total. It is a count plus 1. If this is less than or equal to days, it means this is right. It can meet the conditions. Now let me run it to check if it really works. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases and then analyze the time complexity. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty fast, nearly 100%. Now let's analyze the time complexity. For such problem, the time complexity is m times log n. So the m is the length of the weights array. The n is the maximum number inside the weights array. So it is 500. So it's not a big number. Yeah. So this is why the binary search is so fast. Thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problems like this. And by the way, I will prepare all those similar problems in my descriptions, and you can check the videos or you can practice more similar problems. Yeah. Thank you. See you next time.